Good morning, kids, and welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to start lesson number 11, was and where. Let us move to page number 50 and see what's written. Can you see this beautiful picture? Yes, it's very nice scenery. Let us see what's written below it. The trip was fun. We were in a houseboat on the lake. It was a great time. I was very happy. My cousins were in middle of the lake on a shikara. They were all very happy. Now if you have noticed in this paragraph we have used was, were with the pronouns we have learnt earlier with is and are. Why it has happened? It is because when we talk about something that happened in the past, we use was or were. We use was with one person, place, animal or thing. We use were with many persons, animals, places or things. Earlier, we used is with it, he, she, that is singular pronoun. The word are was used with they, we, you, these, those, that is plural pronouns. In past tense, was will replace is, were will replace are. Use this rule. Now let us move to page number 51 and see the yellow box. I was in section A last year. That means we are talking about the previous year. So we have used was but not is. We, you, they, these, the children were in section B last year. That means with plural we are using were if we are talking about the previous year or the past. He, she, Neha, Ranbir was in section C last year. That means with singular pronouns and nouns we are using was. As earlier we were doing with is in the same way, but it is in the past. Let us try and complete exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks with was or where. How many people dash there at house last weekend? How many people, that means plural, we will use were. The book was easy to read. Those were my best trousers which got stolen. The dodo was a bird which is not found anymore. See the next one. Dash your teachers at school yesterday. Children, here yesterday is a past of today. So we will use were, not are. Okay? Were your teachers at school yesterday? Now try and complete F, G and H by yourself. It's a homework for you. Now come to page number 52. Let us try exercise number 2. Circle the correct word in the brackets. Nana and I in the living room. Here two options was and were are given. But here only one option is correct. So you have to see which will come. Nana and I, that means two people. So we will use the word were. Okay? Nana and I were in living room. How old dash you last year? That means we are talking about one person, but here with you we will use were. How old were you last year? My mother dash in the hospital last week. Mother is a singular word, so we will use was. I dash fat when I was 7 years old. Means here I is singular, so we will use was. He dash at home with me yesterday. He was, again singular. So I think you have understood the way of doing it. Complete F, G and H statements by yourself. Okay. Let's move to exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Dash the exam difficult. Exam is a singular, so we will use was. The movie dash exciting. Again one word. We will use was. When you see a collective noun, then only you will use were. See the third one. Dash the girls in the park. Were the girls in the park? It's a question. Mary, before she changed it. Her name was Mary. Ron dash happy child, a happy child. Ron was a happy child. So students, see singular and plural and use the proper word accordingly. The rest is homework for you. So try and complete yourself. See you soon in our next class. Goodbye.